بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والصلاة والسلام على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. بداية أرحب بالإخوة الزملاء أعضاء لجنة المناقشة، الدكتور يزيد سلطان ممتحنا داخليا، والدكتور هشام السليمي ممتحنا خارجيا. طبعا يعني الخبراء في مجال الإدارة والهامات العلمية والمتخصصين وخريجين جامعات أجنبية مرموقة ولهم باع طويل في الجانب العملي في الجامعات الخاصة بجامعة تعز، ومشهود لهم في هذا الجانب. وأيضا نرحب بالحاضرين كل باسمه وصفته. اليوم إن شاء الله بنناقش طبعا رسالة الماجستير الموسومة طبعا في اللغة العربية أثر الصحة التنظيمية على الفاعلية التنظيمية، دراسة في ميدانية الجامعات الخاصة في مدينة تعز. والمقدمة من الطالبة نسرين عبد الواحد أحمد. وقبل المناقشة نترك المجال للطالبة ل10 إلى 15 دقيقة يعني لإلقاء ملخص وموجز ملخص حول الرسالة، فلتتفضل.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله حمدا تطيب به أرواحنا، الحمد لله على العون والإنجاز، وصلى الله على سيدنا محمد. أعضاء لجنة المناقشة العظماء، أود في البداية أن أعبر عن خالص امتناني وتقديري لكم على تواجدكم هنا، وأن حضوركم الكريم ومشاركتكم في هذه المناقشة هو شرف كبير لي، وأعتبره فرصة ثمينة للتعلم والنقاش البناء. أود أن أقدم الشكر لأستاذي القدير الأستاذ المشارك الدكتور عبد الرحمن السفياني، رئيس لجنة المناقشة والمشرف على الرسالة واليد المساند والموجه الأساسي في مسيرتي البحثية وإنجاز هذه الدراسة. كما أشكر أعضاء لجنة المناقشة الدكتور يزيد الأخضري ممتحنا داخليا جامعة تعز، والدكتور هشام السليمي ممتحنا خارجيا جامعة السعيد لإتاحة الوقت والحضور والتواجد هنا. والشكر موصول لمركز الدراسات ممثلة بالقائد الدكتور محمد عبد الجليل ولكل الموظفين وكل من رتب وجهز لهذا. Okay. My title is The Impact of Organizational Health on Organizational Effectiveness, a field study in the private universities in Taiz City. The problem of the study, universities are viewed as one of the most important service organizations, as their goal is to provide educational services to the human elements that is commensurate with the requirements of the labor market and provide community and research services to society and the labor market. So they need to develop themselves and make some changes to improve their organizational health requirements and achieve the required organizational effectiveness. In light of the following research question: what is the degree of availability of organizational health dimensions in Yemeni private universities in Taiz? What is the level of organizational effectiveness in Yemeni private universities in Taiz? Does organizational health have impact on organizational effectiveness in Yemeni private universities in Taiz? The importance of the study. The importance of this study lies in the following. Scientific importance. This study is important because it draws attention to the significance of organizational health in private universities, as it is a critical necessity imposed by the nature of modern administrative systems to enable universities to play their role, achieve their goals, and adapt their environment. This adds to the importance of organizational health in the educational sector, which is one of the most important service sector that seeks to qualify future cadres to work in the labor market. Educational sector also provides community services and scientific research activities that help to solve issues and problems facing the local community. This study further guides new researchers on organizational health and organizational effectiveness and link them to other variables. Practical importance, the study alongside its result is diagnosis in nature, identifying the ability of dimension of organizational health in private universities and the extent to which organizational effectiveness can be implemented in private universities. The practical importance is represented by the recommendation that will come out of the mechanism and strategies that help private universities to apply organizational health and organizational effectiveness. Objective of the study lies on identifying the degree of availability of organizational health dimensions in Yemeni private university, identifying the level of organizational effectiveness in Yemeni private universities in TAS, identifying the impact of organizational health on organizational effectiveness, objective of model of the study. We have organizational health, organizational effectiveness, achieving goal, adoption, integration, organizational health, leadership, resource support, creativity, and moral. Hypothesis of the study. The main hypothesis, there is no impact by the organizational health dimension on organizational effectiveness in Yemeni private universities in Taiz city. This hypothesis is divided into the following sub-hypotheses: leadership and resource support, creativity, moral, has no statistically significant impact on organizational effectiveness in Yemeni private university in Taiz. Limitation of the study. We have objective limits, the study of the impact of organizational health on organizational effectiveness, human limits, all employees in Yemeni private university in Taiz city, time limits, the period of preparation of the current study in the year 2024. Study approach, we use the descriptive approach. Was used to describe the reality of organizational health and the level of organizational effectiveness in private university in the city of Taiz, as this approach is commonly used in administrative sciences which concern the study of phenomena and describe it accurately. Data collection, there was two: primary source and secondary source. Primary source, questionnaire. Secondary source, books, published research, scientific dissertation. Population and sampling size. The study population consists of 479 male and female in Greece. According to the list of human resource management of 5 private universities, Al-Ata, Al-Wataniya, Al-Sa'id, Al-Jalad, and Science and Technology University. The finding summary, the result of this study revealed that the reality of organizational health in the private university in Taiz city was high by the arithmetic mean of 3.86, equal to 0.56. The reality of dimension of organizational health used in this study, leadership, resource support, creativity, and moral was high. Moral, the first one, then creativity, leadership, resource support. The level of organizational effectiveness in the private university also was high by the arithmetic mean 3.93, equal to 0.56, 56. The reality of dimension of organizational effectiveness involved in this study achieving goals, adoption, integration was high. Achieving goal come first, 3.99. Then integration, 3.92. Adoption, 3.99. 28. Organizational health has a statistically significant impact on organizational effectiveness, indicating 70% of the variance in organizational effectiveness. There was a